What do you do when you are a leader of the elitist socialist people trying to destroy America on a daily basis? Well, if your name is Senator Warren, you try to change the rules. Elizabeth Warren did an op-ed in the Boston Globe yesterday, and the op-ed is a threat. It's a thinly veiled threat to the United States Supreme Court justices. You see, if you are a Democrat, you have run, most of them have campaigned on Roe versus Wade for a very long time. And personal opinions of everybody watching aside, it appears as though the Supreme Court, is poised to overrule or make changes to that ruling, and the Democrats are up in arms about it. Well, so people like Elizabeth Warren are now up in arms, and she is saying that now is the time to pack the Supreme Court by adding at least 4 more justices. Now, they've been talking about this for a while. If you remember, Joe Biden actually campaigned on this, and right after his inauguration, they started a committee that would look into this, and they gave their first report to him, saying that packing the court is probably not going to be a good idea, because where does it end? I'm surmising and paraphrasing, but if the Democrats, add 4 this term, and then we have the Democrats take a loss, and we have a majority Republican body of Congress, and do they add 5? Where does it end? It's just going to never end. And the actual bill that is still in Congress, still alive, that they submitted in April to do just that, to add more Supreme Court justices, it only has 1 co-sponsor. So the bill's not going anywhere because they can't get the 50 votes to nuke the filibuster. They certainly can't get the 60 to have cloture. But Elizabeth Warren is irate and mad. This is the same United States Senator that lied about her Native American heritage, former Harvard professor, and a big fan of socialism. Yep, that's her. We should all, kowtow to her demands. Now, some of the things that old Lizzie has said in this piece was that the radical court has trampled the Constitution. Funny, she didn't say anything when they refused to touch on the masks or vaccine mandates. She also has urged Congress to restore the balance and integrity to the broken institution by taking up the effort to add Supreme Court justices now. She's also said that the Supreme Court threatens our democratic foundation of our nation, all because of one case that if you actually read the decision, it might not mean what it has been made to mean by the media and the Democrats, but read it first. And so we'll see what happens with the decision. I know that the Democrats are also up in arms right now because of the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association case that is looming. That decision will be probably coming out in June. But that case, if it is worded to correctly, it will destroy the foundation that they've been running on, the Democrats, the ultra-left, related to gun control. So 2 of the major pillars of a Democrat who is seeking office have always been gun control and abortion. And in one session, the United States Supreme Court could actually shatter those pillars. So we'll see what happens. I'll let you know if there's any more movement in Congress to actually pack the Supreme Court. But as of right now, it's just it's an empty threat. She's trying to motivate the ultra left to do something. I really don't see it going anywhere because they would, like I said, they would need at least 50 votes. They would need 50 votes to nuke it. The filibuster, that is, and I just do not see that happening. But stay tuned to the channel if you want to know more. There's a lot happening the last 24 to 48 hours, so I'll be putting out probably another video at least today. So if you want to stay in the know, hit subscribe button down below. I look forward to you joining this growing freedom family. We are the new Sons of Liberty here. We get stuff done, and it is all because of you, the viewers. So thank you for your time. I appreciate you more than you know. Till we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, carry a gun to keep you, yourself, your friends, your family, your community safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Remember, rights over feelings every day, all day. Take care.